see it beyond your pride. This ain't hide and go seek. Why you still tryna hide?
You know I wanna ride, but you gotta teach me how. At times I get a little shy, cause I wanna make you proud. We don't need no strings attached, so put your feelings to the side and let's get down.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Emani.Nicole, and I am back with another video. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I am here with a skin care routine and an eyebrow tutorial. Okay, so keep on watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button down below so you can get notified every time your girl posts. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna jump right into the video. Bye. Hey guys, as you've seen in the previous footage before, I listed all of the ingredients for this face mask. I'm doing the cucumber, yogurt, and honey mask. It's my go-to mask. I always do this when I want my skin to be brighter or look healthier. Just to go into more detail about the ingredients, yogurt is a lactic acid that helps exfoliate the skin to make it smooth and moisturized, and it also aids in sunburn relief, and it also fights discoloration of the skin and your pimples. As far as the honey goes, it promotes elasticity of the skin through its exfoliating properties. Honey also promotes new tissue growth, which leads to better looking skin overall. You don't have to use honey for this face mask. You can also substitute it for aloe vera. It's really up to you. Okay, so I will be blending the ingredients with a spoon. However, it is really best if you have a blender. That way you're mixing everything to its full capacity. Now, I don't have a blender, so this is gonna have to suffice. Now, what I do is I just rub the cucumber on my face to make sure I am getting the benefits of the cucumber. Okay, so right now I'm just wiping off my eyebrows. I don't really wear makeup like that, so this is the only thing I have to wipe off my face, and that's gross. So it's always good to moisturize your face after cleansing it. So right now my favorite moisturizer is the oil from the Green Tea Chai Face Scrub by Alakay Naturals. This oil works wonders for my skin, guys. Like, it's amazing. Y'all know what time it is. It's brow time. So when it comes to my brows, I am in no way, shape, or form a professional. I do not know how to do makeup at all. I literally was taught how to do my brows by my little sister. Sad, I know. But like I said, I don't know how to do makeup at all. So what I do for my brows is I just brush them, make sure they're going in the right direction, and then I just kind of try to follow the shape of my eyebrow, and then I just fill it in like such. So y'all, this is the end of my skincare routine and brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button down below to get notified every time I post. Bye!